All right. How's it going, everybody? Today I am in the Casa of Napolitano. People don't know much, or some do, about Napoli. And I have a chef who is based in San Francisco, who's traveled and worked in different parts and managed to make it here for quite some time. So here we go, Mr. Gabriele. Gabby.
Ciao everyone.
So how do you like to be called? What's
Um,
natural for you? Oh shoot, I think
well,
that sound's gonna scratch. Apologize.
yeah, well, I guess like Gabriel.
Get a little bit
It's
closer so
easier
that
over here.
people can see a little bit of your... Yeah, there. Okay, Gabriel, that's what? Gabriele, I'll just call you because to me it's more natural, Gabriele.
Okay, so like back
So
home.
tell me, today what we're gonna be talking about, what I like to discuss with Gabriele is this journey in the food space and relationship. A lot of what you do or how you create the dishes shows your relationship with life and many different things. So I thought that might be a good jumping point or a good
Yeah,
topic.
there is a great connection on the two things.
So tell us a little bit more about Napoli. What is Napoli known for? And give us a little bit of like an example. Is that a language in itself? Is that a
That
region?
is
Is that what is it?
that is pretty much everything. It's like if you want to make a sum of what Naples is the city of the pizza, it's the city of the music, and it's the city of love. That's just like to close the basic, but like Naples is pretty much everything. Everything you're looking for, everything.
Italian?
Yeah, it's like living like abroad, like as in England or over here in America. If you really look for it, the Italian restaurant, what they represent, it's Naples. If you look
In
at
what way?
if you look at the old-fashioned restaurant, like the Italian music, then they play, 80% it's not Italian music, it's Napolitan music.
What makes it Napolitan? What are the
The
characteristics of it? The
the
language is
dialect,
melodic,
the sound.
the sounds. So it's more
Yeah,
sing-song, or what is it?
that is more like an infusion with like different other states. Like we,
Per esempio,
we've been having like uh, African, Spain, French contamination down there. So
contamination.
yeah, then that become like the melting pot of like what was like the city of Naples.
Okay.
So basically, like you get like all these different culture then get integrated,
Okay.
and that create like the particularity of Naples.
Oh, okay. So, when you say food, how does it resemble Napoli? When you say eat Napolitano, the pizza is Napolitano
Yeah.
or the pasta is Napolitano, what makes it that?
No, it's not everything like Napolitan. The pizza definitely. Pizza like something like was born in Naples. Actually, funny fact is like what you guys call over here like the marinara sauce, right? It's nothing else than a tomato sauce.
Yeah.
The first pizza then was ever produced was like pizza marinara. Now, the word marinara, it's sailor in Italian.
Okay.
So, marinara sauce in Italy is like marinara pizza. It's a pizza that like resembles the sea. So, like you have anchovies, like you have like a little bit of tomato, oregano.
Oh, I see.
It kind of like make you think about the sea.
Ah.
But the reason why over here marinara it's a tomato sauce and nothing else, it's because the first pizza that was a marinara pizza,
Yeah.
it was not because I had anchovies or other sort of fish in it.
Okay.
It was because it was being sold to the sailor at the port of Naples.
Oh.
So sailors, marinar. And that's like how the thing was born. It was like street food. That's
Ah.
all it was. And then it got like more sophisticated and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me a most popular song from Napoli?
The most popular song.
Yeah. The people know.
Like O Sole Mio. Never heard that? That's Napolitan.
You would be totally not in the know. You can't even be described as not in the know. You could be totally deaf if you've never heard of that song, right?
Yeah, I mean Yeah, it's been around for a while.
Okay, I have this other question about food. Where have you worked that is exciting?
Where I ever worked, that
Yeah,
is
that's like
exciting.
people have only like heard of places, whatever kind of restaurant or kind of establishment.
Okay.
Is it okay to say it? To mention it?
Oh, well, I guess like it's free advertisement, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
So
uh,
some of the most insanely known. I'm just gonna give you a hint. In Menlo Park, let's just put it that way. The one that I only hear about were the meetings of
oh, yeah, the
the
good part.
people that you wanna chase.
Hmm.
They're there. So this guy happened to work for those kind of places. I'm not talking about single one, like those kind of places. And on top of that, got to actually work with some Filipinos. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And how are the Filipinos?
Intense. Yeah, no, I used to work then for Madeira restaurant. That was like a Michelin star, and just happened like the chef de cuisine was like this Filipino woman.
Oh
So
my
a
gosh.
lot of creativity, a lot to learn, a lot
Oh.
of shouting. But
It's
it
very
was
much Hell's Kitchen, I suppose.
um,
Not really. In a way.
in a way was
Yeah, the chefs are like that. They're
uh,
mean.
no, we're just passionate. It's not about like being mean. So like that's how you express emotion.
That's
I would
correct.
say.
That's correct. Yeah, they're about their work and they're on the spot. They have to create a masterpiece every single plate, practically.
Yeah, pretty much.
They
It's
work
an
with
intense lifestyle.
yeah,
Definitely.
and they work with highly perishable stuff. So I'm gonna put a pause on this one. We're already like at that limit where I try to keep it, at a time frame that people will still be able to juggle work and family or whatever. But on the next part, we'll do a little bit more about food and Gabriela's experiences and life in general. All right, stay tuned. Thanks.